Alicia has genital herpes. Raven doesn't. I would like to keep it that way. So on a regular basis, I drink gonosyphil herpes. This is Red Robin. This is Red Robin. Hey, look at all the nice people. Look at all the nice people. Look at all the nice people. It's very dark outside. It's very dark outside.
And very snowy outside.
This way.
The snow.
Do you believe we say that is better?
The snow has genital herpes. Alicia doesn't. I love that kind of shit. You know what?
Even if you say that I'm the one that does not have it, I'm glad for that.
Well, we can change that. Alicia has genital herpes.
No! Alicia does not have genital herpes.
That's a terrible commercial.
Yes, it is.
Why do they put that on TV?
And you're smiling while we're saying
I know. Who smiles about that? I'm so very happy that I have it and she doesn't.
I know.
You know, though I'd much rather wish this horrible, horrible, painful curse upon her. Okay? I made it through the wilderness. You know what? I don't like this camera.